in dito sa ano?
Well, Speaker Martin Romualdez is a manager. So, alam niyo naman po na very well chronicled po. He came from the business sector. So, he handles everything like a manager. So, very cool and calm naman siya during the meetings. Like he always is.
Yung mga kongresista, sir, kumusta po ngayon? Despite all the issues.
Sino kongresista?
General moral po ng House.
Okay naman. Ako sa palagay ko okay naman. Pero syempre, the House is, there are a lot of issues thrown, not only in the House, the Senate, the Executive, the DPWH. Pero again, we are in the world of politics, sabi ko. Kasama po lahat. And comes with the territory, sabi ko nga, if there's an independent commission that will conduct investigative work, then we welcome all of it. We welcome the innovations that will be addressed or be kung ano man ang maisip ng House, kung may bagong innovation. If we're gonna go digital, if we're gonna go contactless procurement, if we're gonna go PPP, kung ano man po yung mga innovasyon na yan, we-welcome po natin lahat yan. Para po, syempre, mag-create po pa rin ng trust sa katiwala po sa ating public. Yun naman po number one.